Hello everyone. In this video you will see simple phrases used in daily life in English. You can get the best efficiency if you repeat them after watching each conversation. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Have a good time. Conversation 1.
Good morning. How did you sleep?
Good morning. I slept okay, but I woke up early.
Oh, really? What time did you wake up?
Around 6:30. I had to get ready for work.
Wow, that's early. Do you usually wake up that early?
Yes, I do. I like to have some quiet time before starting my day.
That makes sense. I'm more of a night owl myself. I struggle to get up early.
It's different for everyone. Some people are more productive in the morning, while others prefer the night.
Yeah, you're right. Well, I hope you have a great day at work.
Thanks. You too.
Conversation 2.
Good morning. Did you have breakfast yet?
Good morning. Not yet. I'm just about to make some toast.
Toast sounds delicious. What do you usually put on your toast?
I usually spread some butter and jam on it. How about you?
I like to put peanut butter and banana slices on mine. It's a tasty combination.
That sounds healthy and delicious. I might have to try that sometime.
Definitely. So, do you have breakfast at home every day?
Usually, yes. But sometimes I grab a quick breakfast on the way to work if I'm running late.
I understand. Breakfast is important to start the day right.
Absolutely. It gives you the energy you need for the day ahead.
Well, enjoy your toast. I'm going to make some oatmeal.
Thank you. Enjoy your oatmeal too.
Conversation 3.
Good morning. Are you heading to work now?
Yes. Good morning. I'm on my way. How about you?
Same here. Do you usually take the bus or the subway to work?
I usually take the subway. It's faster, especially during rush hour.
That's true. I prefer the bus because it's less crowded, but it takes longer.
I understand. Commuting can be stressful sometimes, especially if it's crowded.
Definitely, but it's also a good time to listen to music or read a book.
That's a positive way to look at it. I usually listen to podcasts during my commute.
Podcasts are a great way to pass the time. What kind of podcasts do you listen to?
I enjoy listening to educational podcasts about science and technology.
Interesting. I prefer comedy podcasts to lighten up my morning.
That sounds fun. Maybe I'll give comedy podcasts a try sometime.
You should. Well, here's my stop. Have a great day at work.
Thank you. You too.
Conversation 4.
Good morning. How was your commute today?
Good morning. It wasn't too bad, just a bit crowded on the train. How about yours?
About the same. I'm glad to finally be at the office though.
Me too. It's nice to start the day with familiar faces and a cup of coffee.
Speaking of coffee, do you want to grab a cup together before we start?
Sure. That sounds like a great idea. I could use some caffeine to kickstart my morning.
Great. There's a new cafe that opened up down the street. Let's check it out.
Sounds good to me. Hopefully, they make a good lunch.
We'll find out soon enough. By the way, did you finish that project we were working on?
Not yet, but I made some progress. I'll have it ready for our meeting later today.
Perfect. I'll review my part before then as well. It's going to be a busy day.
Agreed, but I'm confident we'll get everything done. We make a great team.
Absolutely. Well, let's head to the cafe and fuel up for the day ahead.
Let's do it.
Conversation 5.
Hello, thank you for calling BTech. This is Sarah speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hi Sarah, I'm having trouble accessing my account online. I keep getting an error message.
I'm sorry to hear that. Let's troubleshoot the issue together. Can you please provide me with your account username or email address?
Sure, it's John Doe at email.com.
Thank you. Let me take a look at your account settings. It seems there might be an issue with your password reset option. I'll guide you through the process to reset your password securely.
Okay, I'll follow your instructions. Thank you for your help, Sarah.
You're welcome, John. We're here to assist you every step of the way.
Conversation 6.
Hey, it's almost lunchtime. Do you know what you're going to eat today?
Hi, I'm not sure yet. I'm thinking about maybe ordering some sushi. What about you?
Sushi sounds good. I was considering getting a salad from the cafe downstairs. They have a lot of fresh options.
That's a healthy choice. I might join you for a salad. I've been craving some veggies.
Great, we can go together. They also have sandwiches and wraps if you prefer something more filling.
Sounds perfect. I'll meet you there in a few minutes then.
Perfect. I'll save us a table. See you soon.
See you soon.
Conversation 7.
Hey, I'm having some trouble with my computer. It keeps freezing whenever I try to open a program.
Oh no, that sounds frustrating. Let me take a look at it.
Thanks, I appreciate it. It's been acting up since this morning.
Alright, let's see. It might be a software issue. Have you tried restarting it?
Yes, I've restarted it a couple of times, but the problem persists.
Okay, let me try running a diagnostic check to see if we can pinpoint the issue.
Sounds good. Hopefully. It's nothing too serious.
Yeah, hopefully it's just a minor glitch that we can fix easily.
I really need to finish this report by the end of the day, so I'm crossing my fingers for a quick solution.
I understand. Let's see, here we go. It looks like there's a problem with the memory usage. I'll try clearing some cache files and see if that helps.
Thank you so much for your help.
No problem at all. Let's see if that does the trick.
Conversation 8.
Hey, it's getting late. Are you ready to head out?
Yeah, I just finished up a few things. Let's go.
Did you have a busy day?
Yeah, it was pretty hectic. But I'm glad we got everything done.
Me too. I'm looking forward to relaxing at home.
Same here. Do you have any plans for tonight?
Not really, just going to make dinner and watch some TV. What about you?
I might go for a run and then catch up on some reading.
That sounds nice. Well, let's not keep ourselves here any longer. Time to go.
Agreed. See you tomorrow.
See you. Have a good evening.
Conversation 9.
Hey, how was your day at work?
It was pretty good. Thanks for asking. How about yours?
Not too bad, just busy as usual. I'm looking forward to getting home and relaxing.
Yeah, me too. I've been thinking about what to make for dinner.
Any ideas?
I'm leaning towards pasta. It's quick and easy to make.
Sounds delicious. Maybe I'll make some too. Do you have a favorite sauce?
I like marinara sauce with lots of garlic and basil.
Yum, I'll have to try that. I usually go for a creamy Alfredo sauce.
That sounds tasty too. Well, let's make a plan to cook together sometime.
Definitely. It'll be fun. Oh, it looks like we're almost at our stop. See you tomorrow.
See you. Have a great evening.